Hey guys, it's Jana, and today we're gonna clean out the pantry and the fridge because it is a mess. I hope this motivates you to get all organized and cleaned out in the pantry and your fridge today. It is something we just got to do so we know what we got. Go ahead and hit subscribe, thumbs up, check all the links down below. Be sure to share this video with all your friends. Let's clean out the pantry and fridge today. So first of all, we changed all the light bulbs all around the house and I totally forgot about the pantry, so it's pretty yellow up in here. So if you hate your yellow lights, get daylight. Makes all difference. Soft white is yellow, as you can see here. So I like to start from top to bottom in the pantry, and I'm just kind of organizing. The shelves are still really clean because we actually did have them painted before we moved in. And so they still look really good, so I'm not going to worry about wiping anything down unless I see anything, so just a little spot clean, but we need this place organized. So I do have all these baskets here. I actually picked them up a while back at the dollar store, and they have been working out marvelously in the pantry. I love it, especially for my baking and cooking stuff with spices and all those little things, you know. The baskets are doing wonders. So also when you come across anything that you have two of that are both open, just combine them. Make it easy. Give yourself some extra room. So on the lower levels, I kind of keep my kitchen gadgets. So I just kind of want to organize these in a more efficient way. So keep like baking with baking and stuff like that. I got a basket here of plastic bags to reuse. So yeah, just stuff like that. The floor of the pantry was my biggest problem. We couldn't even walk into this thing. I just kind of dumped stuff there, to be honest, and yeah. So I'm gonna get this all organized and put things where they should be instead of on the floor. voila, beautiful pantry. All the baskets are organized. It looks great. On to the fridge. So I like to totally empty out the fridge, well, other than the doors, and get everything wiped down. A fantastic tool to use while you're cleaning the dishwasher, refrigerator, what am I thinking, is toothpicks. Toothpicks can get into all those nooks and crannies. There's so many crusties that get stuck in there. It is gross, and yeah, as you can see, it gets pretty crusty. Look how gross it was up under that first shelf. So gross. Crumbs, sticky stuff. How does it get this bad? And then I like to take out the drawers and all the gizmos and get those all wiped out, because if anything spills or anything, it just collects in the drawers. So you better get those drawers wiped out. Underneath the drawers here get pretty gross. I don't know about you, but sometimes the kids spill milk in there and it just drips down there and you don't see it until you take all the drawers out. And there, it's disgusting. This is the glass that is on that first shelf. So crusty and gross. Just be really careful with it, because if it breaks, Lord only, I have no idea if you can get another one. Let's put this fridge back together, get everything back in there. You know, you kind of want to work fast because you are working with cold foods that you want to get back in the fridge, but can only work as fast as you can. Wipe down the outside, and especially in these little nooks and crannies of the seal, a lot of crummy bummies always end up in there. Of course, the crumbs end up on the floor that you just wiped off, so get that all swept up and cleaned up, and voila! Clean refrigerator. Alright guys, we made it. We got it done. The pantry looks amazing, and we can actually walk into our walk-in pantry now because the floor is totally cleaned up. That was driving me crazy. And the fridge looks fantastic, and to be honest, I thought the pantry was gonna be my nemesis today, but it was actually the fridge. The fridge was a lot grosser once you got into the nooks and crannies than I thought it was. So definitely a must-do, guys. Get everything out and scrub everything in there. There was just crumbs and bums and gross stuff everywhere. That was gross, but not anymore. It looks amazing. So I'm really happy with it. Now I started making my grocery list as I was going through, because you know, now you can see what you got when you clean this stuff out too. So I hope this motivated you to get it done. It feels really good. just do it. Go ahead and hit subscribe, thumbs up, check all the links down below. Be sure to check out those videos I picked out just for you, and I will see you next time.